Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 10 operating system. So all you have to do is to click on the search box and type update. So it's going to pop up something related to this or exactly this way, and you click on check for update. Before clicking on that particular button, make sure your system is connected to the internet. Alright, I've already paused the Windows 10 update of my system. So if I'm clicking on resume update now, it's going to scan the whole system, and actually it's going to pop up all the missing drivers, or let me say the missing additional operating system features. Okay, because whenever they release any updates, it means they are adding a new features, or they are updating the previous features or the current features you have on your operating system. So it's always advisable to do this anytime you have the chance to. So that's just a simple way on how you can update your Windows 10 operating system. If you like this video, don't forget to click on my subscribe button, click on that notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I drop a new video, and don't forget to share with friends. Thank you.